Have you ever struggled to find the perfect lighting? Whether you're working late, taking video calls, tapping into your creative flow, or just winding down and relaxing? What if your light could do more than just illuminate? Hi, I'm Scott, the Director of Product here at Lume, and we're excited to introduce you to something that will revolutionize the way you light your world, the Edge Light Go. Our journey began with a simple idea: to create a light that adapts to your life, not the other way around. We've all been there, battling with cords and harsh lighting, running out of power when you need it most. After countless hours of design and testing, we've created a solution that's not only portable and rechargeable, but also incredibly smart. The Edge Light Go is compact and rechargeable, just like your laptop, so you can take it anywhere. Its adjustable color temperature spans beyond the typical color spectrum of warm and cool all the way down to deep red, which is known to offset blue light, boost melatonin production, and regulate circadian rhythm. Need to charge your devices? We've built in a wireless charger to keep you powered up throughout the day. Our perfectly diffused edge-lit LED technology ensures your space is lit beautifully and accurately every time, allowing you to see items in true-to-life color, keeping you focused and aware. With 4 pivot points, the Edge Light Go offers ultimate flexibility, allowing you to pivot from video calls to tasks and anything else you may need. Its intuitive and convenient functionality includes a 25-minute auto-off timer, perfect for time blocking or drifting off to sleep. Forget the cords, outlets, and decorative lamps, and take your task light anywhere. So please join us on this journey to bring perfect lighting to everyone, everywhere by backing this campaign, and stay tuned for updates.